In 2025 and beyond, technology is evolving faster than ever, reshaping industries, creating new opportunities, and challenging business leaders to adapt. From generative AI and robotics to decentralized cloud, in this video we spotlight 3 startups leading the charge. Defect Scanner from India, MemoryX from the United States, and AETHIR from Singapore. Let's see how each is shaping the future. First, Defect Scanner from India. Imagine a manufacturing line where every product is checked for quality, not just by human eyes, but by AI that never gets tired. Defect Scanner offers an AI-powered inspection tool that uses smart cameras to spot defects, missing parts, and product attributes in real time. What sets it apart? Defect Scanner uses generative AI to simulate every possible defect variation, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks and reducing false positives. This means manufacturers catch issues early, improve product quality, and simplify quality control, helping them deliver defect-free products every time. Next, MemoryX from the United States. AI is everywhere, but running advanced AI on the edge, right where the data is generated, has always been a challenge. MemoryX solves this with their dedicated AI accelerator chips, designed specifically for edge devices and robotics. Their MX3 processor delivers server-level AI performance at a fraction of the power and size of traditional GPUs. It's easy to deploy, scales across devices, and supports a wide range of AI models. No complex code changes needed. With MemoryX, companies can bring powerful, efficient AI to robots, autonomous systems, and smart devices, unlocking new levels of automation and intelligence. Before we move on, don't miss out. We've created the most comprehensive guide to technology trends to watch, covering the latest breakthroughs, practical use cases, and expert insights. This guide is powered by the Stardust Insights Discovery platform, tracking over 4.7 million startups and 20,000 technologies worldwide. From AI and robotics to cloud and connectivity, the guide covers it all. It's precise, actionable, and completely free. For the full free article, check the link in the description below. Finally, AETHIR from Singapore. Cloud gaming and AI need massive computing power, but traditional infrastructure can't always keep up. AETHIR is changing the game with decentralized cloud infrastructure powered by a global network of GPUs. Their platform delivers real-time, low-latency gaming and AI processing, accessible from any device anywhere without downloads or hardware upgrades. Game developers and AI companies can scale instantly, while users enjoy seamless, high-quality experiences on phones, tablets, or desktops. AETHIR is breaking hardware barriers and opening up new possibilities for gaming, AI, and beyond. To sum up, Defect Scanner from India is revolutionizing quality control with AI-powered inspections. MemoryX from the United States is bringing efficient, scalable AI processing to the edge. AETHIR from Singapore is powering the future of cloud gaming and AI with decentralized infrastructure. These startups are at the forefront of technology trends, driving innovation, productivity, and transformation across industries. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights. Thanks for watching.